I want to do a quick little video on these bumpers for the tailgate. This one broke off, goes right in here. And I thought it was all one piece, but it's not. It comes with a little tab and a new bumper piece, which didn't really need because mine, I still have it. I broke it off taking the camper off, but I didn't realize that it's just a little tab, which I think you can buy at any not hardware store, but AutoZone or Lordco, those kind of places. Part number is right there, $19 at the Ford dealership. So not hard to install. Just push it in and then put it in the hole and turn it, and it expands it. But I didn't realize it came out. I thought it was all one molded piece. It was kind of dirty, so I couldn't really see. Should have looked at it a little closer, but it was $19 tax in. But you could probably buy just a grommet like that for a couple bucks. So just wanted to share that. If you rip yours off for whatever reason, you might just go buy a grommet and get it fixed. It just goes in like that, and it does have a right and a left. This was the right, and this one, I'm sure it says left under there. Yep, it does. Anyway, quick little video, maybe save you a few bucks. Thanks for watching.